Look what y'all doing. You nibbling on me? You nibbling on me? Y'all think I got something? Y'all fighting, ain't you? That's the boss man right there. He is the boss man with the pretty hair. You can tell who's pretty out here. Ah! Look at there. You don't want to mess with him. That is what you call a bulldog goat. And that's his girlfriend. And she done took a liking to him right there. And them was full grown goats, y'all. They call pygmies. You can see she's pregnant. Right here. Hey, baby. Hey, darling. All right. Look at there. You trying to mess with somebody?